Hi Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 18th of May. Cancer, we need to start off the reading on a very serious note. Now, I was watching an interview with Fat Joe. You know Fat Joe? Man, Michael never touched none of those fools. The fools were kids. That's what Fat Joe was saying, all right? Anyways, I saw an interview. I'm not sure if the interview was recent or if it was a long time ago, where Fat Joe, he described that he is a serial grizzly eater. Now, all the men in the studio created a big fuss over this. Why would you use a serial grizzly eater? What the fuck? Listen, calm the fuck down. Have we forgotten? What's love got to do with it, babe? What's love? It should be about us. It should be about trust. Eh? What's slow down, baby. Let me tell you from the jump. I don't go down, baby. He does not go down. At least two men in the industry we know don't go down. Fat Joe and Alkaline. Monogamy, I'm not one to cook in a canteen. Pussy, you see me all the while. What make you no run in? Chat alone, them have them on internet. Me, Fat Joe has already signed that with Ashanti. Slow down, baby. Let me tell you from the jump. I don't go down. But Fat Joe does not go down. Now, I'll send a message to Fat Joe and all other men, whether you're fat or skinny. You cannot eat steak, rare, but you don't pussy. That don't make sense to me. Now, maybe it's the thing of the respect as a real ass nigga. Because Fat Joe is a real ass nigga, right? Maybe it's the respect so no girl can say, yeah, you were, came up, see last night, maybe you don't want a girl have that over your head. Because you have some man who stays so. They might be like, no girl can say me this, no girl can diss me that way. Them can't say me dick small, them can't say me never them right, but them can't say me they go down upon them. So maybe that's the thing. But all I'm saying is, you can't eat bloody things and you tell me say you know pussy. That not makes sense to me. That's the reason why I even though the allegations on him is very serious, at least Lil Wayne tongue kissed her other tongue. Ski, water gun. Oh my God, Becky, look at her. But Tucci, now she wanna go low. She already know how you only live once, yeah. That's the motto, and we every day, at least Lil Wayne goes down. No wonder why his preferences older white women. Anyways, yeah, so just be mindful before you start this whole shit, because Fat Joe said he was a serial grizzly eater. Maybe he was talking about eating grits. Him not talk about sucking pussy or eating pussy. He already said that him don't go down. And I don't have a reason to debate Fat Joe whether I eat pussy or not. No, not eating pussy is a deal breaker for me. I won't lie. We are adults. Surely you don't think putting your penis inside me and out is going to do it for me. Either way, get off Fat Joe's back. Get the fuck off Fat Joe's fatness. And leave him the fuck alone. Fat Joe be getting pussy more than half of y'all niggas. Half of y'all niggas who ain't getting pussy is walking around on podcasts talking about what's wrong with women, okay? When Fat Joe meet a girl, Fat Joe is not like, hey, get yourself a house. Get your cousin cars. No, he's like, slow down, baby. Slow down, baby. Before you ask me for my number, before you talk about say you want to ride in my car with me, slow down, baby. Let me tell you from the jump, I don't go down, baby. Okay, Fat Joe, I'll respect your decision, and I will never force Fat Joe or any man to do anything in the bedroom sexually that they're not comfortable with. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer, the mother, so the woman. So is it an argument about the guy not going down on you, but him expect you to go down upon him? So tell the courtroom what happened. Well, Your Honor, I said, listen, you ain't sucking, I ain't sucking, because we the same nigga. What does that mean? That means if he ain't sucking, I ain't sucking dick either, okay? I don't know if this is a thing where somebody expect you to perform oral sex on them, but them don't want to do it to you. I don't know. And ladies, you shouldn't really perform oral sex on one night stands or men you don't know. That's for people who you say reoccurringly are your boyfriend. You're not supposed to suck dick of any random man. You're kind of supposed to only be sucking the dick of your man. that you're fucking long term. And even if it's your man who you're fucking long term, let's hope that he's not cheating on you. Listen, I'm a lot of things in life, but there's two things I am not, Canada. I'm not a liar and I'm not a cheater. Believe me, those two parts, being homeless so long and my upbringing, and even though my looks may trick you, I'm not a cheater. I'm not cheat. Cheating is not hard for me. Me don't cheat though, but me don't know how some people, how you cheat. How you do with a man where you live with and cheat on him and the baby where you have is not his? That's some crazy ass shit, man. That has some guilt. So I don't know how you sleep at night. I don't cheat. Everybody know black girls don't cheat. Black with Sierra, Kelly Rowland, Beyonce. Black girls don't cheat. I mean, who told you that? Who said Normani? Nicki Minaj? Who said that? Black girls don't chat. And let's go ahead and go into your reading. Anyways, let's go ahead. Cancer, the mother. Something about your mother. No, I don't know if your mother decides to date. Know that her kids are all grown up. She won't date. Leave the woman alone. She dedicate her single life to take care of you. And know that you grow up and you're big. You want girlfriend, but your mother can't have boyfriend. You want girlfriend. You want girlfriend, but your mommy can't have boyfriend? Why? Leave your mother alone. Some of them women are bring man into the house while molest them fucking daughters and sons. You grow up to a point where you can fend. I'm not saying you can fend for yourself, but I'm getting you're starting to have emotional feelings for a girl or a boy. Your mother, after raising you, she have emotional feelings for one man now. She want date. Stop giving your mother such a hard time. She could have abandoned you and run off with man. She decided to leave the man alone. The same man would trick her, forget her pregnant. She decided to stay with him, raise you, and know you about. But don't know how old are you. You have a problem because your mother a date. Sir, you cannot fulfill your mother's needs, even though she fulfilled all of yours. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's go, Cancer. With the devil. Oh, slow down, baby. Let me tell you from the jump. I don't go down, baby. Okay, maybe this is something about oral sex. It could be something about anal sex. To each is them own. That's all I can say. I'm not gonna knock you, whether you want the oral or anal. I'm not gonna knock you. The devil card. The devil card is taboo. Yeah, again, surely you did not think as adults, as 30-year-olds, as adults. And you know the weird thing is the men are getting the virgin girls and the men are getting the girls who don't have a lot of sexual experience for brought them anal virginity. Yeah, the devil card. So I'm getting the devil can be considered devious acts, devious sexual acts. Yeah, but devious sexual acts to who? Multiple sex partners, devious sexual acts to random people, or devious sexual acts to somebody you're committed with, because it's different. The devil, I'm getting something about the bedroom, something about sex, all right? Or I don't know if somebody misinterpret you saying something, like how somebody misinterpret Fat Joe for saying eat pussy. Maybe somebody misinterpreted you for eating ass. The devil is here. Let's continue the reading. We have a ten of, yeah. I'm not sure what you caught somebody doing. There's a man and a woman. I don't know, unless if you're spitting at each other's mouth, if you're having feces, if you piss on each other, maybe that could be considered deep. This is not Miss Sexual Advice YouTube. I'm trying to tell my fucking viewers that if a man wants to piss on them, they must say no. YouTube technicians, you have girlfriend? Or you just block people content every day? Which one? Anyways, yeah, I'm getting... You know, like the video, the girl said, you remember when I pegged you and you love it? You promised me you wouldn't say that. It's for the boys. You send your boys a picture of your balls. It's for the... I'm getting somebody catch you. But I'm getting man and woman. What could you be doing so bad as a man and a woman that you're so scared? I don't know if you met the girl bend you over. I'm getting you cannot leave somebody alone. I'm getting them sex. I'm getting your grip. Me getting you cannot leave somebody alone. No matter how much you cuss, no matter how much you fight, no matter how much you argue, no matter how much you hurt each other, you find yourself going back to this toxic relationship. Me getting something about the sex. The Emperor. Are you an older man? You are a married man? I don't know if you're a younger girl or you're fucking a girl in your age group that you never know that girls in your age group could do the things that this girl is doing. Me getting you saying me cannot stay out. Me not care about her attitude. Me not care how much baggage she come with. Me getting something about the sex, the Emperor. Me getting when you have sex with somebody, you feel like an emperor. Me don't know if you're doing all the work while you feel like the Emperor, like you are do all the work. You are dominate somebody, or me don't know if somebody make you lay down and them do everything for you. But me getting the Emperor. Me also getting something about the bedroom, what the Emperor does, the Emperor feel bad about. Sir, I don't like a two-man. Me don't know if you're going down on a girl and you feel bad, you don't want nobody know. Sir, really? And you're the Emperor? That's the chosen pussy. That's the chosen pussy for you to go down on. It's not like you're out and go down for a random girl. Me don't know if this is something about anal sex. Me getting something devious. You're afraid that this girl expose you. Sir, it's a man and a woman. Me don't know why you could have done so bad. And a two-man. Not that saying... You get what I mean, though? Yeah, the Sun card, I'm getting something about a Leo, and I also have the Two of Pentacles. I'm not sure what you're doing is two, something about two. Now, this could also be you left somebody because of them breast size. I'm getting somebody breast. Maybe you feel guilty because you're not attracted to somebody. That's okay. Maybe you're more attracted to like a bigger ass or a bigger breast or a bigger body. That's okay. Because I'm getting something you do, you feel bad for doing it. You're like, that's fucked up. That's not a reason. It is a reason. But you're rather the body where you don't want from somebody loyal or the body that you want from a cheater. It all depends on what you want. You know? Yeah, you can get the full package, but I'm just saying, you have to be the full package in order for you to get the full package. You want a girl with big breasts or you want a girl with big ass, but your dick small. So your dick can't even pass the girl ass anyways unless you bend her over and put that ass up. I mean, doggy style is the only way you can penetrate her. So just be mindful before you go around making other women, whether them fat or slim, feel bad about themselves because you're not sexually attracted to them. Nothing is wrong. Girls use height with men all the time. But again, it could be somebody... I don't know if I call the Two of Pentacles, two, the Sun card. The two, I'm getting the sun up in your face. No, it could be something about someone's eyes. You love someone's eyes. I'm getting there's something you don't want to tell. You're afraid to tell this person. Unless you're going back and forth to two different women. No, you're the Emperor. If you want two women, you can't get it. You just can't get it from me. I tell the YouTube technicians all the time. YouTube technicians, if you know that there's a man out there who wants me and another girl, or I want two girlfriend, or I want two wife, tell him to go suck out him big pussy blood clot, rancid pussy mother. We not deal with that round here, so. Let's continue the reading. The Ten of Swords is clarified by the Page of Swords. So I'm getting somebody, no, the devil. It was supposed to clarify the devil. So the devil has rejected you, but the devil still watch you. So you might got the two women who you wanted, but guess what? You still watch the third one will reject you. The Ten of Swords clarified by the Page of Cups. Yeah, I'm seeing you go back to... I don't know what you do. Somebody reject you, but you want to be friends with them. Fuck no. I saw on the internet that red roses is for love and yellow roses is for friendship. Who the fuck wants yellow roses? Who the fuck is taking yellow roses, bitch? Red roses all the way. All the way. We will choose love over friendship any fucking day. Let's continue reading. The Emperor is clarified by the three... yeah, see? Three women now. Come getting you get the two... yeah, see? Red roses is for love. Yellow roses is for friendship. So one of the girl them you're in love with or you're claiming. The other girl you want her to be a friend to you. A friend you fuck. And if you don't get she, you're gonna take 2 other girl, but you still want to be friends with her. Who the fuck wants anything blood clot yellow? Yellow, and it's not Rima. Red roses, duh. Love, duh. I didn't mean it that way. I did not mean it that way. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. The fuck wants fucking yellow rose, bitch? Bitch, you think we're desperate? Worse is a good-looking, attractive girl. Whether you're slim or you're PH 18, no make no man tricking on a blood clot friendship. But him want to be friends. Tell him say you cannot be friends because when you meet your red roses man, him don't want you to be friends with no other man. Tell him that. Him gonna talk about him want to be friends with you. Tell him say your man is not happy with you having friends. Tell him say the man what you look for, you know the man what you look for, no one there around no other male but him, so you cannot accept him yellow roses. Tell him that. You look good, your body look good, or the man a friend zone you for convince you say your body is not up to par, but him still want fuck you as a friend. Tell him say the man what you look for will not appreciate you having a friend you fucking. Tell him say you don't want a blood clot friend from no man. If you want a friend, go look a girl as a friend. The fuck you do with man friend? Literally. So now you're 2 gone to 3 because you're greedy. And you're going to go to 4. You're greedy. I don't know if that's what somebody not tell you. So them like for root, them married, but them like for root. Okay, you're a cheater. Great. I not deal with cheaters. I not talk to cheaters. You being a single cheating man is no different from you being a married man. I not deal with them type of man there. The 2 of Pentacles is clarified by the 4 of Wands. I don't know if you live with one of the women or you tell both of these women to come at your yard. So now the 2 of the women them have your address. What kind of shit is that? You used to say you're a dog. You're a fucking dog. That's what the fuck you are. The Strength card is clarified by, this is not even cat. Because at least cats can be very monogamous. You're a dog. You're gonna fuck anything when in a heat. Strength card is clarified by the see 33. No, you want 3. You see? What? There's 3 women. And you should know that even though you have a girl and she's telling you that she's okay with you fucking another girl, to a man, that sounds great. You see, to another woman who is educated and she loves herself, what she's hearing is you find a stupid bitch who was insecure enough to make you fuck on her. That's what women hear. Men hear, you got such a cool girl, man. Your girl understand your needs. Sir, that can't be a blood clot. 2 pussy cannot be your needs. A massage can be your needs. You want to play a game for the hours of the day, that can be a blood clot need. 2 pussy cannot be a need. Me not care where you want to say. You don't cook 2 different dinner in the same day and then you rush on roulette which one you want to eat. You cook 1 dinner a day. So I don't know, maybe somebody I don't know if somebody have a sex addiction, or I don't know, somebody like to play the field, man. Me getting you target women who either had bad sexual experiences with men, or worse, you target women who don't have good relationships with them father. If the father is not a threat, then you can manipulate them for either be sister wives, second wives, or be one of them, or they'll be okay getting cheated on. Bitch, bye. The 8 of Swords, 8 of Wands. Somebody might call you back after them call the whole of the other 2 women them when fucking on you on. Them gonna call you back for see if you're still available. Tell them no, you're not. Tell them you're waiting and I got to treat her right and then guys not them. Bright and feisty. I don't deal with cheater. I don't deal with man who to woman. I don't deal with polyamory. I don't deal with that. Might as well you were a married man. Might as fucking well. We have Neptune. Neptune rules dreams and illusions. So I'm getting someone's fucking up. I'm getting a Pisces. Political agenda. Or because you're a politician, you want 2 women. Okay, so why you never carry liberal and conservative? You choose 1 political blood clot party. You choose 1 blood clot religion. You choose 1 favorite car, but you want 2 girl. Since you're so diverse in your pussy, you should have been diverse in the political agenda too. Motherfuck. Really? See? You have one God, one political agenda, one work, but you want two girl. You want two woman. Sir, you're as confusing as the fucking Bible. You are as confusing as a fucking Bible. Bill Blair, I never mean to bring it into this, Bill Blair. I'm just trying to tell the public that this man who wants to fuck 2 or 3 women at a time, that is not godly behavior. And even in the Illuminati, if you decide to take a partner, you and them are going to do blood ritual together, which means till death do us part. So someone wants to be in politics, but they're not in the shit. You want to be in politics, okay, you want your religion, okay, all of these fucking things, but you want to fuck 2 girls. And that's how it blood clot go. You have to give your life to one. You have to give your soul to blood clot one. Sony Records is not going to tell you, you know what? We love your talent. You should totally do business with us and then do business with another record label. You have to give your blood clot soul to one record label, Sony Entertainment, but you want to fuck 2 girls. And that's how it go. Your blood ritual is to one, it's not to blood clot 2. Know that. Might as well did married. One more. Yeah, mental health. Something wrong with you. But you want 2, girl. Sir, is that what you want? You want me to be one of 2 women to you because you feel like you want to take care of me even though you're already committed to another woman? Is that what you want? You'll never fucking get it. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.